Hello guys, it's Nisha here and welcome to my Python tutorial. Today we're going to talk about achieving the purpose of do while using while in Python, as there is no do while in Python. The purpose of do while is to execute the whole bunch of statements or block present in the do block and then check the condition in the while statement. But while statement in Python will execute the block if and only if the condition inside while statement is satisfied. So trying out different approaches, we now end up with while true statement as the solution. So let me tell you how do you do that. We say while true statement 1, statement 2, statement 3 and then if condition break. Make sure that the if is achievable through finite number of steps, otherwise we would end up with an infinite loop. But how is this equivalent to do while? The while true is always executed and the block of statement within the while is executed. Then the if condition is evaluated and if it fails we execute the break keyword, about which we discussed in our previous video. I have provided the link in the description box. And now with little comparison we found that while true is equal to the do and the if condition which contains the break statement which is checked at the end. Let's execute a program to get a vivid picture about this. In this program, we increment the number and then check whether it is greater than 5 and break if it's greater than 5. One distinct difference between while and while true is that in case of while, we provide the condition which should be satisfied for the execution of while block. But whereas for while true, we provide the condition which is opposite of the while, where we exit the loop if the condition in if is true. So that's all about do while using while in Python. Feel free to comment the topics which you guys wish could be dealt as a part of this tutorial. Thank you. See you guys on my next video.